Welcome to our guide on American Express rewards. If you're looking to maximize your rewards, you've come to the right place. American Express offers various categories for earning points. Let's break down how you can rack them up. It's important to know when to use your card for everyday purchases versus when to save it for special occasions. Don't forget to take advantage of exclusive offers and promotions that can boost your point earnings. Consider referring friends or signing up for bonus offers to maximize your points even further. Once you've earned points, it's time to explore redemption options, from flights to luxury hotels and even merchandise. Understanding the value of your points can help you make the most out of your redemptions. The Amex Travel Portal is a great resource. Let's dive into how you can use it for optimal redemptions. Transfer your points to travel partners to unlock even more exclusive travel opportunities. Follow these best practices, and you'll be on your way to maximizing your American Express rewards effectively.